All right, all parts that you guys create are going to require a drawing to go along with it. So a couple ways: you just do File and New, and then select your template that you'd want to go with from there. You could also do File, choose Make Part or Make Drawing for Part, and select your template this way. It does the same thing. The only difference when you choose Make Drawing from Part, you get the view palette to show up, so you can figure out which views maybe you want to drag in. I am going to drag in the front, the top, which all should project the right, and my isometric. As a quick reminder to you guys, the isometric should not have hidden lines on it. You can make it solid if you want. With these drawings, you may want to make them the shaded color. You also want to right click and choose tangent edge, remove. Some of the drawings you guys are going to create, you may need to keep the tangent edges on. I understand that they're going to become much more complex, so they may be required or maybe needed to show off what you're trying to display. A lot more lenient on these drawings with things like center lines and center marks. Understandably, there are a ton of them and would create a ton of clutter. So looking at this, some things I don't like: if you have additional sketches or planes that are visible, if you right click on it, you choose hide, take it away. You could also figure out what view you're looking at. So this is drawing view 4. If I'm drawing view 4 in the feature tree, I could open all of this up and I could figure out, well, sketch 1 is still visible. So I could right click on that and choose hide and take it away. It does the same exact thing. I am looking for dimensions. As a reminder, model items. Model items will show all of the dimensions that you left in your sketches, so never delete dimensions. Going to deselect use dimension placement from sketch, import onto all, select the feature, make sure import onto all is on, check mark, yes, and your dimensions get put in place. I am expecting that you clean them up just to make it look a little bit neater. I don't know what it's going to take for that to happen with these drawings. Never have a dimension on your ISO. So I am going to right click and hide that and just find another way to dimension this. So that's laying out the drawing, model items, tangent edges, so on. Your text box does need to be filled in. This right here wouldn't work. So what I'm going to do is right click on the screen and choose Edit Sheet Format. This will bring me into the title block itself. You double click on the text. This will appear. You can change the size of the font. Find something that fits. That looks much better. Exit the sheet format. Sorry, I did that quick. In the upper right corner. You may also find that if you don't have a template created, at this point I am going to be looking for certain text. So in here it's probably going to say over here I'm going to put my name. I will do a reminder later on how to set this. And then I put the date in place as well, which whatever the date is at that point, so 3/23/20. I will post reminders how to set all of this. I know in the engineering honors class I just did it, so I'll make sure that becomes available to you guys as well. Once it's done, I'm going to exit the sheet. As a reminder, you could add another sheet at the bottom, so you don't have to put all of the drawings in different parts. There are 4 drawings within this chapter. I'm expecting all 4 to be done in here, and then at the end printed and submitted. I've posted video tutorials on 3 of the drawings. 1 you'll be doing on your own. Good luck. Any questions, please ask. I will continue to post.